I'm going to be comparing two batteries we all know about, the lithium battery and the tubular battery. Which one costs you more and which one is the best? Starting from the price down to the 5 years cost. Stay here with me and watch it in the end. So now we are going to be comparing their price. The price for a tubular battery is 200 from 200,000 down to 480,000 naira. That means the tubular battery is more cheap, is cheap for that price. So now let's go on to lithium battery. How much is a lithium battery? Wow, the price of a lithium battery is so expensive, from 280,000 down to 1.5 million naira. Wow, the price of lithium battery is so expensive. So now during cheap price, the tubular battery win at this part. So that now we move to lifespan, how many years they can spend. Wait and watch this part. So now let's look at the lifespan. The lifespan of a tubular battery is 3 years to 5 years. Wow, what's the price? 5 years. So now let's compare it with lithium battery. The lifespan of a lithium battery is 8 years to 15 years. That means it's roughly 3 times of lithium tubular battery. Does it worth it? So now at the lifespan age, lithium battery won this. We are going to be crediting lithium battery with 1 star. Then move on to the next step. So now let's move into the maintenance. Maintenance for a tubular battery, you always have to maintain your tubular battery every month or 2 months, or else it will not give you what you want, or it will not store energy in it. So now let's move on to lithium battery. Will lithium battery need water or need maintenance? No, lithium battery is almost free. Once you buy it, it does not need any maintenance till the end. That means lithium battery is going to win in this case. No wonder it's very expensive. Then lithium battery win in this part. So now let's move into their performance in heat. Now the performance in heat, tubular battery is already made for Nigeria heat. That means no wonder they were putting water in it to cool his brain down, because it's made for Nigeria heat. And one thing is that it's made for heat, and lithium battery is not made for heat, meaning it's going to be off, meaning it does not like heat. That means if you have a place to put your lithium battery in one place, in a cool place, that means you have to choose lithium battery. So lithium battery win in Nigeria heat, except you enjoying it in rainy season, which there's not much heat there. Now let's look at the cost in 5 years. Is it so? Now we don't just look at the price, we need to know if lithium battery costs more or tubular battery costs more. So now we mentioned that 5 years that tubular battery spend and lithium battery spend 15 years. Then what? Then the calculation is like this: if we buy tubular battery 400,000 naira in 15 years, that means we have spent, that means we have buy 3 more batteries. In lithium battery, 15 years just only one time, we would not buy any battery again. That means lithium battery win in this case. Then lithium battery gets the best. So now my honest advice is that, when if you know you do not have too much money, then go for tubular battery, but be ready to maintain, and also ready to change it again, or else it won't give you a better performance. But if you have money, then go for tubular battery. So I've mentioned all these risks. So if you like my channel, please subscribe and like. Thank you.